To further strengthen this growth outlook, the government will continue to safeguard macroeconomic stability by ensuring inflation remains within the government target range, while interest rate remains stable to support growth in private sector credit. Mr. Speaker, gambling, gaming, and alcohol addiction have become prevalent in our society. These habits are extremely addictive and can result in a variety of harmful repercussions, especially to the youth. To discourage the promotion of these products and activities, I propose to introduce excise duty of 15% on fees charged by all television stations, print media, billboards, and radio stations for advertisements of these activities.